Good day, class. So today we're going to be looking at converting Vulgar fraction to decimal fractions. Conversion of Vulgar to decimals. And I remember in the last class I said Vulgar are fractions that have bar, while decimals are fractions that have points. So today we are going to be converting 2 over 5, 1 over 2, 2 whole number 1 over 2, 3 whole number 1 over 4. But today I'm going to be doing one of the proper fraction, one of the mixed numbers. So you're going to be doing one of the proper fraction, one of the mixed numbers. We will share it equally today. So let's delve in. We have 2 over 5. So let's write it out. We have 2 over 5. Now, looking at this, some people might choose to make this a number down to the index of 10, to the power of 10. But in some cases, doing that might take a long while, and in some numbers it will not work. If you have numbers like 3 as the denominator, there is no number you're going to use to generate power of 10. But in this case, you can just multiply the numerator and the denominator by 2 up and down. Then you get a multiple of 10 down, so that you can just do what we did in the last class. But in this class, just so that we can work with any number we are giving down and not hope that every number will be converted to the multiple of 10, we will use our cancellation method, or what is called long division. We'll be using our cancellation method. Let's just use cancellation method because that works faster. In common entrances, they don't ask you to show working. Sometimes you are working with timeline, so you need to know how to solve your math very fast. Now, looking at 2 over 5. 2 divide 5, 5 divide 2 cannot work. So therefore, you put your 0 point so that you are at liberty to add 0 here. This 0 point is giving you the liberty to add 0 to this 2 to make it 20. So 5 divide 20 will now give you 4, and nothing is remaining. So this is your answer. Let me take it again. I said a situation whereby you have a proper fraction. Proper fraction is a fraction that the numerator is smaller than the denominator. You find out that the denominator cannot divide the numerator outrightly. So you have to introduce a 0 to that numerator so that you can be able to divide in most cases. So before you put your 0 here, so that this numerator will be bigger than the denominator, you need to bring out a 0 and put your point. So you have liberty to add as many zeros as possible, as long as the number can carry you. Now you have a bigger number up and a smaller number down, making this an improper fraction. So now you can divide. 5 divide 20 will give you now 4. There is no remainder, so this is why we are leaving our answer like this. Now, coming over to number 3. Number 3 is a mixed number. So we are going to convert it first to improper fraction, thereby getting a normal fraction we can just divide without getting confused. So we are going to be multiplying out and adding, just like we always do. 2 times 2 will give you 4. 2 times 2 will give you 4. 4 plus 1 will give you 5 over 2. Now we have an improper fraction. A fraction where the numerator is bigger than the denominator. And I want to put a trick. Is it normal for a child of 2 years to carry a man of 50 years? Is it proper? No, it's improper. So that means anytime you see a bigger number up and a smaller number is struggling to carry it, that fraction is improper fraction. But whereby you have a smaller number up, as a mother is, maybe from 25 years and above, can carry a baby of 2 years, a child of 2 years. So it's proper for the mother to carry the child, which means when you have a bigger number down, carrying a smaller number up, that number is called proper fraction. It's proper for the bigger number to carry the smaller number. But it is improper for the bigger number to be on top of the smaller number. It doesn't make sense. So let's use that as a trick. And where you now attach a whole number to the fraction, you have now mixed it up. So it's called mixed numbers. So we can now divide this. This is divisible. Even though we'll have a remainder. Let's fire on. 2 divide 5. It can work. We will have 2. But there will be a remainder. That remainder, we'll put it somewhere here. We'll not throw it away because we'll be needing it. Now, you're done with this. 2 divide this one, it cannot work. For the fact that you say it cannot work, you will now put your point. So you'll be at a liberty to add 0. You're not adding 0 here because you already have a number before the point. Why I added 0 here is because there's no number before the point. So I need to introduce a zero to balance the number. So 2 divide 10 will give us 5. So we are having 2.5. So whenever you have fractions like this, you can do it in this way, or you use cancellation method in some cases, thereby introducing your points in numbers that are smaller. So friends, today you're going to be doing number 2 and number 4. Drop your answer as always in the comment section. Enjoy the class.